When it comes to equipping your kitchen, a high-quality bowl set is essential for preparing, mixing, serving, and storing food. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 bowl sets available, highlighting their features, materials, and design elements to help you find the perfect set for your kitchen needs. From sleek stainless steel to stylish ceramic and space-saving nesting designs, these bowl sets are top-rated for functionality and aesthetic appeal. Number 5. Libby Small Glass Prep Bowl 8 Count, Pack of 1. Glass containers with lids keep leftovers fresh. Durable dishwasher-safe glass meal prep bowls, glass bowls set for meal prepping, snacks. About this item, small glass bowls set. Start planning healthy meals and eating healthy with our glass prep bowls. Set contains 8 6.25-ounce small glass bowls with lids set that will keep your leftovers looking fresh and tasting delicious. Clear glass serving bowls. This set of glass meal prep containers feature a clear glass design that makes it easy to spot the ingredients and toppings you require without opening the lids. These glass ingredient prep bowls double as snack bowls, easy food prep. Our mini glass container set is ideal for storing ingredients for weekly meal prepping. Place your prepped ingredients in our snack bowls with lids and have herbs, toppings, and more on hand as you cook. Lead-free bowl set. Made from lead-free glass with a 3.45-inch diameter, these glass snack containers are safe for your food and the environment. You can take your glass food prep bowls for easy on-the-go lunches. Dishwasher safe. These classic small glass prep bowls complement any tabletop or dinnerware collection, and these small glass bowls for cooking prep are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Number 4. Homestock Plus Unbreakable Cereal Bowls 25-ounce microwave and dishwasher safe BPA-free bowl dessert bowls for serving soup, oatmeal, pasta, and salad, set of 6. About this item, wheat straw fiber bowls. Homestock Plus cereal bowl made of natural organic wheat straw fiber, 100% BPA-free, odorless, and environmentally friendly. No harmful chemical materials. It's healthy and beautiful tableware for your family, microwave safe and dishwasher. These microwave safe bowls are very easy to clean. You can wash them into your dishwasher. And they work great in microwaves without getting too hot. Note, the temperature resistance reaches up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius. Unbreakable and lightweight. The 25-ounce bowl set designed with space-saving style and smooth round edges. The Unbreakable bowl protects children and elderly hurt from the broken bowl. The salad bowls is light to hold, sturdy and strong. It's also easy to carry out while camping. Multiple uses. 4. The microwave bowl deep enough for cereal, salad, fruit, rice and noodle without splashed out. Great for parties, picnic, camping, and everyday meals at home, school, office, outdoor or traveling. Quality and service. We commit to providing the most comprehensive customer service. If you meet any problem with this cereal bowl set, please feel free to contact us. We ensure that every customer's user experience is high above others. Number 3. Tupperware Heritage Wonder Leer 10-piece food storage bowl set in vintage colors, dishwasher safe, BPA free, 5 containers, 5 lids. Wonder Leer 5 bowl set. About this item, 5 nesting bowls with lids. Prep, serve and carry your favorite foods in style. Airtight lids lock in freshness and flavor. Lids snap firmly in place for leak-proof confidence, even on the go. Sturdy, dishwasher-safe material, holds up. Use after use and wash after wash. Number 2. Corell VROL 28 ounces soup/cereal bowls set of 6. Chip crack-resistant dinnerware bowls for soup, ramen, cereal and more. Triple layer glass, winter frost white. About this item, for every space, adaptable bowls that blend with every kitchen. perfect for any mood, season, or occasion. A simple design that effectively brings the whole group together. For any type of food you're craving, these bowls are the perfect vessels. Extraordinary resistance. Triple-layer strong glass bowls provide reliable durability for a long time. Say goodbye to chips and cracks with these Corell bowls. These long-lasting pieces will be a staple of every get-together. Low maintenance, Corell bowls make life easier with their smart design. Ultra-hygienic, non-porous and easy-to-clean glass saves you the trouble of scrubbing hard to get rid of stains. These bowls are also dishwasher and microwave safe. Convenient to use, Corell bowls stack compactly and are lightweight, offering easy handling and space saving. You can count on this set of bowls to help you organize all your dinnerware. Limited warranty, 3-year limited warranty, timeless beauty. Corell Dinnerware are a staple of modern eating for everyday occasions, filling hearts and tables since 1970, dishwasher, microwave and preheated oven safe. Number 1. Corell 4PC Versa Bowls for pasta, salad and more, service for 4, durable and eco-friendly 30 ounces, compact stack bowl set, microwave and dishwasher safe, white. About this item, 4-piece set includes 4 30-ounce Versa bowls. This set has everything you need for a full table service of 4, and it comes with the classic Corell style, light and strong. Corell's triple-layer strong glass plates and bowls help say goodbye to chips and cracks. This durable dinnerware set is lightweight, easy to handle, and allows for compact stacking, which takes half the space of ceramic dishes. Low maintenance. This dinnerware set is designed to provide the best dining experience while requiring low maintenance. It's ultra-hygienic, non-porous, and easy to clean. These bowls are dishwasher safe and microwave safe, classic style. If it's not broke, why fix it? Corell's minimalist approach by way of its crisp, bright and classic design brings a timeless aesthetic to this dinnerware set that blends with most kitchen environments. Limited warranty. This item has a 3-year limited warranty. Timeless beauty, crafted with pride in Corning, New York. Corell Dinnerware are a staple of modern eating for everyday occasions, filling hearts and tables since 1970.